Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for February 10, 2020. Today we're looking at the EURUSD, the euro, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. First things first, here on the daily time frame, I typically want to continue to trade in the direction of the trend. The trend here for the euro dollar is down. Depends on how you're looking at it and your vantage point to the market, but the blue trend line shows a longer period of downtrend. We're going all the way back up here into the 1.1235 or so level back in the end of December. So basically for 2020, we have been in a downtrend along this blue trend line. We've had a couple of periods of rising, but for the most part, a downtrend. Even in the shorter term, let's zoom in one time, you can see this black trend line here showing the past week and a half or so being a bearish trend. So if we're going to focus on the trend, we're focusing in on selling rallies to resistance or breaks of support. Interesting is this blue zone down here at the bottom, 109.5065, currently holding underneath that as resistance. Zoom out again, you go back here to where the black circle is, and you can see history shows underneath the blue zone where the black circle is. We go to the green zone, 109.2515, or dipping all the way down into the 108.80 level, the orange shaded area at the very bottom. So the most important thing today is that we're underneath the 109.5065 blue shaded area in the direction of the trend. As long as we're under that blue zone, I think we have to focus on the continuation of the downtrend. The only real reason we would expect it to turn around and go back up is if it were to break back above 50.65, back above this black trend line. History shows, again, if you just look above that black circle, let's just look right here. I'll put a red circle right here. Right there where the red circle is above the black circle, above the blue zone, we look for it to go up back into the 110 level would be the expected move. So as long as it shows with the black circles underneath that blue zone, the potential of continuation of the downtrend is there. Only if it gets back above the blue zone, history shows it goes back up. So that's what I think we should focus on today. Not really, is there any evidence of reversal, but just focus on the trend. 4-hour time frame. Take a look at this here on the 4-hour time frame. Here's that black trend line, of course, and there is the pattern within the trend. Breaks of support, rallies to resistance within the downtrend. This is the kind of stuff we're looking at right here. And let's take this and make it a circle. Now let's make it something with different colors so I can see it better. Let's go with blue. So right there with the blue circle, as you can see, break of the pink zone, tested as resistance, fall. So that's important for today. You can see that similar pattern right here, break of the yellow zone, retest and fall. So that's the kind of thing we're looking at now, isn't it? We're seeing it underneath 109.5065, the blue zone, and the expectation is a continuation of the downtrend, and really only expecting reversal if it were to get back above the black trend line blue zone to go back up. So I can't really say, hey, let's buy this, even though we're at the very bottom of the trend. I want to focus in on the direction of the trend at the current moment. Now that could change at any moment. Suddenly the buyers could step in, drive this back above 109.65. So we need to pay attention to that. Use appropriate risk strategy. Stop loss would be above the blue zone if you decide to take the short today under the blue zone. So that way you can limit the impact to your trading account when and if the market decides, hey, it's time to turn around and go back higher again. But trend is down, we're under the blue zone. I think we focus on that until something changes, which would be the push back above 109.65 for the euro dollar this week.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.